Hello. Okay, let's today talk about BTC USDT again. I recently updated some ID on TradingView that some people think that we are in a bear market, and I would like to explain a bit when I would think that we are in a bear market. So to see this, first of all, we're gonna check out the monthly chart. So as you can see, we have here on the monthly chart this large bullish engulfing candle. The month is gonna end here in 4 days. So if we close a month like this or higher, then this is a very bullish candle. So that's that first of all. So we still have some time left, but we don't know where it's gonna end. We're gonna end right here on the same high as this, as the previous high. Are we gonna end higher? Are we making already a new all-time high? We don't know yet. Are we gonna move lower? Of course, the lower we will move here, the more chances that will be that next month will come down. But the higher we can close, so if you can close like this or higher, the more chance there will be that next month also will be bullish. Okay, so let's zoom in now to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, this is what I posted on TradingView right now, today. So what we have here, so this here is a bearish reversal candle here. In my previous video I talked about, so we actually went halfway of this, and so that's bearish. So now we're pulling back. So this candle over here actually gave the sign that we will see some pullback. That's for sure. Okay, but now, so this now is gonna depend how much we will pull back. If we see the low here, if we measure from the low and here then the high, that's where we are currently, we have all this area here to set a high low compared to this zone here. And so the more deep it pulls back, the less chance of continuation to the upside. So for example, if this is just, if we don't get lower than this here, then that would mean, so then we just actually here retested this broken supply zone here, and we made here a support area. And then by the size we pull back here, so we pull back here only like 10-12%, then this is still a bull flag, and we just will continue our way up. If we pull back more down, so for example, if we would pull back around the middle of this move from here to here, for example to here, if we pull back here, because this here would be a new interested zone for me, because this is was also a major resistance zone. So if we break this zone, I think we will climb back down here, test this, and then from here on out it's important what we will do. So for example, the size of the pullback is pretty large, so or we will set here a lower high compared to this area here, and then we can maybe reject or break through. If we just break through, we can just continue the trend. But if we reject here, then and we close down below this zone here, then that means that we have here a weekly lower low, and that's bearish of course, because then on the monthly chart we're gonna pull back. So we have the high, the low, higher high but not much follow through, and then we set here, then we need to search here a higher low compared to this area over here, and then if we then set a lower high compared to this zone here and a lower low, then we're in a bear market, and only then. But not how the current situation is, because there's a lot of things to do to really be in this in the bear market. It all depends a bit on which time frame you are. If you look at the daily chart, then yeah, okay, we are here in a downtrend, that's correct, because we lost the daily uptrend. But now we just are searching a weekly higher low, currently still above this major resistance zone that now can be maybe support. So yeah, Also what we can see is, for example, if we draw a trend line here, and let's mark this like this. So maybe we can, if we will lose this support, then there's a chance that we maybe pull back to here and then continue, and then we have here maybe a channel. That's also one of the scenarios. So there are a few scenarios, but in my opinion the bear market hasn't started yet, like at all. Okay, so let's take a look for the rest. Okay, let's see at the 4 hours, no, at the daily time frame. So the trend is lost here, and let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So here currently we are creating here, we need to set a lower high compared to this zone here. Currently still a bear flag, so it can be that we pull down more, so the bulls need to step up here. We have here down a slight divergence, a bullish divergence on the RSI. Also, if you draw a trend line on the RSI, then you can see here that we have some sort of a falling wedge, and it can break up here, and if it does break up, then I think we will also see here some bounce going on. But for now I just I'm paying attention. I'm just waiting a bit, and we'll see if we can set here this high low, then nothing's wrong. And I think still, because people ask me what do you think this bull cycle will bring, and I think we will be here somewhere around between 75 and 80,000, I think. So maybe this bull cycle, I think we will end up somewhere right here. But of course we can first do this and then go. But when I'm bearish, it will be on a weekly low, fail to break above it, and continuing down, break this low over here. Okay, that's it. Ciao.